Hey Justin, how's it going? Thank you so much for letting me shoot this over to your email. I just pulled up your site, Vista Tree Service right here, and was looking through it. I think there's some really great things happening here. This click to call right here is a great option. I saw you have it a couple of other places right here on your site, Book Today right here, and you're offering a discount to users. I think that's awesome. We always want to have click to call all over our page. So if people are looking us up on their phones, they can immediately patch through to us. We can get that information from them immediately. So I think that's really great. One thing that I noticed is that your contact form, I have to scroll all the way down to the bottom to contact you. We always want to put our contact form up at the top. So if people don't want to hop on the phone, they don't like to talk on the phone, whatever it is, they can just input their information and shoot it over immediately. We want to have that really, really high at the top of our page so they can find it easily. Um, One thing that I do want to mention, content. So Google loves content. The Google crawlers, the more content that they have to read and draw from, the better your site will show up on closer to page one, essentially. So right now I plugged your homepage content into my word counter tool. We have 203 words on that homepage. We always want to be shooting for at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on the homepage, because Google will be reading through every single word on your page, drawing keywords that people are going to be searching for and indexing them. So the more keyword-rich content we have, the more Google has to read, and the more information that Google can give to searchers or users when they're looking for a tree service in Austin. So that's where I would start is getting more content on this homepage that's keyword rich. So I popped over to a keyword tool that I like to use, and I just typed in tree service. So we have about 60,000 searches per month, which is awesome. It's getting a pretty good amount, and just looked through some related searches. So things that people are looking for related to tree services when they're typing that in to look for a tree service company. So we have tree service near me, tree service removal, cut tree service, trim tree service. All of those things are things that people are looking for when they're typing into Google. So we want to optimize those searches, right? This tool right here is telling us 49,000 people are looking for tree service near me per month. So we want to have this exact matched keyword somewhere on our site. So when people type that in, Google is saying, oh, they're looking for these words. Well, I have these words right here on Vista Tree Services site. I'm going to match these two together so they can get that information that they're looking for. So that's really what we're doing. We're matching the user or the searcher, your potential client's search inquiry with the content that you have on your homepage. And the best way to do that is to really pump up the amount of content that we have while being mindful about what people are searching for. So I went to Google, I typed in tree service Austin. So this is a new feature that Google has. They recommend people, it's sponsored. And then these top three right here, these are all Google ads. People are paying for those spots. And then this right here is the map pack. So this is where we want to end up. The map pack, when people are looking for a tree service, this is where they're looking. Sometimes they'll scroll down and they'll look here at the organic listings, but for the most part, they're calling Happy Tree Service of Austin, Austin Tree Surgeons, or Sid Morning Tree Service, right? These guys are right here. They've taken these spots. And so this is where we want to be, and this is our target. So I went ahead and looked at the competition to see kind of what it was that they're doing. Right, so Happy Tree Services here. I looked through their homepage. They don't have very much content. They do have some keywords over here, right? Tree pruning, tree cabling. I know that you offer that as well. Tree removal, you offer that, but they don't have a lot in terms of content. So I went ahead and plugged in these sites to my backlink tool, because backlinks are like votes for your site. So other sites who link into your site, to your homepage, using different keywords, those are votes for your site, and not all vote is created equal. So if we have votes coming from really authoritative sites, Google is thinking, in Google's mind, your site has a lot more power. So you have 17 backlinks coming from 6 different domains, and one of which is do follow. So we do want do follow backlinks because they patch the Google crawler directly to our site to re-index and to reread our site. So 17 backlinks from 6 referring domains. Let's pop over to Happy Tree Service. This is our #1 guy in the map pack. He has 242 backlinks from 60 referring domains, right? So he has a lot more. He has 39 do follow, a lot more backlinks here, a lot more votes for his site that are telling Google, hey, this is a legitimate site, and you should know about this site, right? Whoever is linking in, these referring domains who are linking in, they're telling Google to check out this person's site, to check out Happy Tree Service of Austin, and they're voting for them essentially with their backlink. The second guy in the map pack, Austin Tree Surgeons, he has 572 backlinks from 109 referring domains, 76 are do follow, right? So he's topping out the mid-hundreds as well. And then our final guy, Sid Morning Tree Service, the third guy in the map pack, 233 backlinks from 20 referring domains, right? So all of these top players in Google's eyes have a decent amount of backlinks, which is really, after we get authoritative content, that's really where we're going to get steady increases and bumping you up closer to page 1 for your business, is getting backlinks. And it is a process. Google really raises a red flag to to sites that they find where last night they had 2 backlinks, this morning they have 300 backlinks. It really raises a red flag for Google. So we want the process to be natural, to be flowy. We don't want to raise any red flags for Google as to how you're getting all these backlinks, which is a process and it does take time. But it's a process well worth it, because as you can see, these top 3 guys, they do have, you know, a decent amount of backlinks, whereas Vista Tree Service has 17, right? So that's where we want to devote a lot of attention and time and effort to after we get the authoritative content written on your site. And then finally, I just popped over to a citation tool right here. Citations are just places where your business name, phone number, address are listed on the web. It tells Google, hey, this is a real business. This isn't a scam. These are places where the business information is listed, and that tells Google, okay, I guess this is a real business. So Vista Tree Service right here has 22 citations, 22 places on the web right now that are saying, hey, Vista Tree Service is real, check out their address, check out their phone number, we have this information, verifying that this is a real business. Happy Tree Service of Austin has 38 citations, and Austin Tree Surgeons has 55. So citations are a really simple thing we can do to just make Google aware that Vista Tree Service is a real company and that people can use it. So that's kind of the last part of the 3-part SEO strategy. You know, you can get a lot more into different things, but just in this video, I just wanted to talk about some simple things that you could do for your website to really get you closer to page 1 and get Vista Tree Service some more business. I would love to talk with you more about this. I know you said that you were firing your current guy. If you are looking for someone to work with to take on your website or take on your SEO, I would love to help you out. So give me a call or shoot me back an email, and I'd be happy to talk with you. Thank you so much, Justin.